Greetings everyone, my name is Grace and welcome to my kitchen. So today we're going to be making a really simple breakfast recipe that is sure to fill your tummy, keep you full for long, and it's just very sweet and savory. It's delicious. My mom used to make this for me when I was growing up, so let's talk about the ingredients. You are going to need 2 to 3 eggs. I've been using the Eggland's Best eggs and I absolutely love them, but you can use any type that you'd like. You're going to also use 5 to 6 corn tortillas, some cheese. I already have the pre-shredded cheese, about 1/4 of an onion, and then an avocado, which is optional. So let's get putting it all together. All right, so you want to take out your 5 to 6 corn tortillas. I'm a fan of carbs, so I usually have about 6 of them for myself. But if you're wanting to go low on your carbohydrates, you definitely want to lessen the amount of tortillas that you're eating. And we're just going to chop those, kind of like they'd be little chips. Then you're going to take your onion. And I'm going to use a little less than half of my onion for this recipe. Okay, so I'm going to heat my stove to about between low and medium heat. Going to throw some olive oil in the pan and get that heated up. So I'm going to throw everything in. Grab my spatula and start stirring it up. So you're going to want to cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes to allow the onions to get that sweetness and to let the corn tortillas get a little crunchy on the ends. So you're just going to want to monitor it, stir it a little bit here and there. This is when I add a little bit of salt. And I'm using Himalayan sea salt. And then I'm going to hit it with some pepper. If you really like spicy food, you could always add any other sort of like jalapenos or hot sauce at the end. Alright, so I've been sauteing this for about 5 minutes. Keep in mind all stoves cook differently, so you want to kind of stay close to your food and try it out yourself. I'm going to put my eggs in. I'm going to go 2 eggs today. And you're just going to start stirring those eggs in with your tortillas and onions. Lost one here. And you're going to let that cook and keep mixing it so everything gets coated and cooks evenly for like 2 more minutes. I love buying the pre-shredded bag of cheese because I grated a lot of cheese when I was a kid. So I like to try to avoid that now. Sprinkle it with a little bit of cheese. As it's finishing up here so that melts nicely. In case you ever have trouble cutting an avocado, you just want to slice it in half. And once you have it like this, the easiest way my mom taught me to remove the pit is you hit it with a knife and you turn it. Booyah! There you go. The easiest way to remove it. Alright guys, so we are all done making our cheese, egg, and tortilla scramble. I went ahead and added some avocado to mine. One thing my mom used to do that I wanted to mention is she would add some hot dogs or bologna, whatever we had in the fridge, to the dish, and that would just add some more protein to it and just make it really tasty. So you can do that as well. I'm going to go ahead and include all of the ingredients in the description, and let me know if you guys try this. Let me know if you like it, and I hope to see you guys back soon. Bye now.